welcome to line dancing at the Sumter Family YMCA. My name is Liz Mitchell. I am your instructor. Today we're going to be learning the Work It line dance, okay? This is a very simple line dance, very few steps. So I'm going to break it down, and then at the end we will put the music to the song so that you can see it all together. All right, your first steps, simply put, you're jumping forward. If you do not want to jump, just step forward, okay? So you're going to step forward. The song says, work it in the middle. Now you do whatever you want to do here, okay? So you can just do a little, dance with the shoulders. You can get the whole body involved, all right? So from the top, we're going to jump forward, work the middle. Your next step from there is to then jump back, work the middle once again, okay? So from the top, we're going to jump up, work the middle, jump back, work the middle. And it is kind of this tempo right here, okay? You got it? You got it. All right, your next step, all right, you're going to lean to the right, all right? So you're going to lean to the right, and it's kind of this body roll. All right, once again, make it your own. Do what you want to do, all right? So you're going to lean to the right, then lean to the left, all right? That is the tempo, all right? So from the top, when you see me do this, this means from the top, all right? We're going to jump up, work the middle, jump back, work the middle, to the right, lean to the right, lean to the left. Good, you got it, all right? We're almost done, all right? Your next steps, you're going to step with your right foot, all right? And it's a cha-cha-cha. So you're going to step right, cha-cha-cha, step left, cha-cha-cha, and then you're going to turn it out. In line dancing, when we say turn it out, that means you have completed that round, and you're going to turn to start it again, okay? So once again, from leaning to the right, you're going to lean to the right, lean to the left, step right, cha-cha-cha, step left, cha-cha-cha, turn, 2, 3, 4. Your face the next direction. And then you just go right back into it. Jump up, work the middle. Right? Jump back. Lean to the right. Lean to the left. Cha-cha right. Cha-cha. Left. Turn. Okay? That's the whole dance. Okay? So I'm going to put the music to it so you can see it all together. I'm really grateful that this is a video, so if you need to pause or play or rewind, you can. Okay? So I'm going to play the music now, and we're going to see it all together.
Now, I don't know if y'all know.
All right, this is where you just have fun.
7-8 band, we like to party. We like to party.
5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up. Jump back. To the right. To the left. Right. Jump up. To the right. To the left. Cha-cha, right. Good. That's it. And you just do it for the whole song. All right, so that is our Work It line dance. Thank you. And if you can, join us in person, in class, every Saturday at 10:15. All right, and it's just a 45 to an hour class. So you're gonna come, you're gonna learn a few line dances, get your heart rate up a little bit, and just enjoy some community fun. Thanks.